if a task that normally takes for weeks could be done in just 8 hours? That's exactly what LG Display, a key Apple supplier, is achieving with the help of artificial intelligence, and the results are impressive. LG works closely with Apple, producing many of the screens for iPhones and iPads, and the company has been pushing the limits of productivity with AI-driven manufacturing and in-house assistant systems. Recently, LG shared that these AI upgrades boosted profitability by over 210 billion South Korean won, which converts to roughly 150 million US dollars, showing that smart automation isn't just saving time, it's also adding serious value. The AI transformation covers everything from design and production to office operations. For example, LG's AI design system now handles complex patterns for curved edges and narrow bezels on flexible panels, cutting design time from 4 weeks to 8 hours. Optical design for old color consistency also dropped from 5 days to just 8 hours. On the production side, AI models are trained to detect defects, identify causes, and suggest solutions, which reduced quality improvement time from 3 weeks to only 2 days. This kind of efficiency means that products can move from concept to final production far faster, allowing LG to meet Apple's high demands and scale up more effectively. It's not just the factory floor seeing improvements. LG has also rolled out an AI office assistant called Heidi, which helps with tasks such as knowledge searches, real-time translations, and meeting summaries. Later this year, Heidi will even be able to draft presentation slides automatically, further easing the workload on employees. By integrating AI so deeply across the company, LG is aiming to boost productivity by 30% over the next 3 years. This means faster turnaround times, fewer errors, and more consistent quality for screens that go into Apple's latest iPhones and iPads. It also demonstrates how AI is reshaping the way tech manufacturing operates, not by replacing humans entirely, but by making human work smarter and faster. For Apple, this partnership ensures that new iPhones and iPads can hit the market on schedule, even as devices become more complex with features like high refresh rate displays, advanced OLED panels, and intricate curved glass. The efficiency gains also help LG maintain profitability even under global pressures like tariffs or rising material costs, proving that AI can make a real difference in competitive industries. Looking ahead, LG's approach could become a blueprint for other manufacturers, showing how combining human expertise with AI tools can radically shorten production timelines while maintaining high standards.